The surprising science behind Neanderthal nutrition. For a long time, Neanderthals were portrayed as simple, meat-obsessed cave dwellers, but recent scientific discoveries have turned that outdated image on its head. The truth is far more fascinating. Neanderthal nutrition was diverse, regionally flexible, and surprisingly sophisticated. Yes, Neanderthals were skilled hunters. Isotope analysis of their bones shows high levels of nitrogen typical of top-level carnivores. This suggests that large animals like mammoths, bison, reindeer, and wild horses made up a big part of their diet. Hunting these animals took planning, cooperation, and a deep understanding of the landscape. But meat wasn't the only thing they ate. One of the biggest scientific breakthroughs came from analyzing dental plaque. Trapped inside fossilized plaque were microscopic remains of plants' grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, and even cooked starches. These findings proved that Neanderthals also foraged for plant-based foods. And yes, you read that, right, cooked starches. Many of these plant remains show signs of being heated, which indicates Neanderthals knew how to cook. Cooking not only made food easier to chew and digest, but it also unlocked more energy from the carbohydrates, especially important during cold Ice Age winters. Another surprising discovery: mushrooms. Spores from edible fungi were found in some Neanderthal remains. This suggests they gathered seasonal foods, expanding their diet based on what was available in the environment. It also shows they could tell the difference between safe and dangerous foods, a clear sign of food knowledge passed through generations. Neanderthals living near coasts added even more variety. Sites in Italy, Gibraltar, and other regions show evidence of cooked shellfish, fish bones, and even seal remains. This tells us that they harvested marine resources when possible, showing flexibility in their diet depending on geography. Even more intriguing is the evidence of medicinal plant use. Chemical analysis of dental plaque revealed traces of bitter herbs like yarrow and chamomile plants with no nutritional value, but known for their healing properties. This suggests Neanderthals may have had some basic knowledge of natural medicine. The science behind all these discoveries comes from multiple disciplines: archaeology, paleobotany, chemistry, and genetics. Together, they paint a new picture of Neanderthal life, one where nutrition wasn't just about survival, but about choice, knowledge, and adaptability. In the end, Neanderthal nutrition reflects a species that was smart, resourceful, and tuned in to their environment. They were not just meat-eating hunters, but versatile eaters who understood the natural world and made the most of it. The more we learn about them, the more we realize Neanderthals weren't so different from us after all.